Oh my God, look at this apartment. After the weekend party, it looks like a disaster. Where should we even start?
Yes, it's bad. Let's do it step by step. First, the kitchen. It's the worst part. I'll start with the dishes. You can wipe all the surfaces.
Deal. This table is sticky from juice and chips. Do we have any strong cleaner?
Yes, under the sink, the yellow spray bottle. It removes everything. After that, can you sweep and mop the floor?
Sure. Oh, and the windows have fingerprints everywhere. Should we clean them too?
Yes, let's do it. I'll take the microfiber cloth and glass cleaner. Fresh windows make the whole room look brighter.
Good point. After kitchen, living room, the sofa has crumbs and there's dust on the TV stand.
Exactly. I'll use the vacuum cleaner on the sofa and carpet. You can dust the shelves and picture frames.
Okay, music? Cleaning is boring without music.
Yes, put on our favorite playlist, upbeat songs. It helps so much.
Done. Now, bathroom. The mirror is awful and the sink has toothpaste spots.
I hate cleaning mirrors, but I'll do it. You take the toilet and shower. We have that blue gel for the toilet.
Got it. Last thing, bedroom. Fresh bed sheets and maybe organize the closet a bit.
Yes, let's change the sheets. They smell nice after washing. And throw away old magazines from the nightstand.
Perfect plan. When we finish, I'll make us iced coffee with milk and we can sit on the clean sofa.
I'm already dreaming about it. Let's start. 2 hours and the house will look like new. Ready?
Ready. Go team!
Dude, I'm looking at running shoes again. My old ones are completely dead. Help me choose something online. Sure. Which shop are you on? Nike, Adidas, or just Amazon? Amazon. Faster delivery. Look at these gray Nike ones for $39. They have good reviews. Not bad, but check the sole. Do you run on roads or forest paths? Mostly roads and sometimes park. I need something with good cushioning. Then these look okay, but read the comments. Someone wrote they run small. Order half size bigger? Good idea. I wear 42 EU, so maybe 42.5. Okay, added to cart. Nice. What else do you need? Shorts? Socks? Socks, yes. Black running socks. Ankle ones. Oh, these are on sale. 3 pairs for $12. Take them. And look, they have a sports water bottle with time marker. Very useful. I like it. Blue color? Adding it too. Now the total is over $60. Free delivery. Awesome. By the way, I need a new gym t-shirt. Can you help me find one? Sure. This black one with gray logo. Breathable material, size M? Yes, M is good. Add it to the basket. We can pay together and I'll give you cash later. No problem. Almost done. Do you want anything else before we click buy? Maybe wireless earbuds? No, too expensive now. Just the shoes, socks, bottle, and t-shirt. Done. Order placed. Should arrive Wednesday or Thursday. Great. Can't wait to try the shoes on our next run. Thanks for the help.
Okay, 5 minutes until the meeting. Do you have the sales report printed?
Yes, here it is, and I put the main numbers on slides too. Our team did really well this month.
Exactly. 12% more than last month. I'm a bit nervous to present it.
Don't worry, you'll be great. Just speak slowly and look at people sometimes.
Thanks. What about the new client project? Should we mention our ideas today?
Maybe wait. The boss usually asks questions first. If he says any suggestions, then we speak.
Smart. I wrote 3 points. Better photos for social media, faster answers to emails, and small discount for first order.
Those are good ideas. I like the discount one especially.
Cool. Oh, look, People are already entering the room. Let's sit in the middle so we can see the screen well.
Yes, you sit on my left. If you forget something, I'll whisper.
Thank you. You're the best teammate. Do you think the meeting will be long?
Hopefully not more than 40 minutes. The boss has another call at 3.
Fingers crossed. Okay, he's starting. Deep breath. Let's listen.
You've got this. After the meeting, we'll celebrate with coffee downstairs.
Deal. Finally, Friday. Any plans for the weekend? I really want to do something outside.
Me too. The weather looks sunny both days. How about we go to Big Almaty Lake on Saturday?
Oh, yes. I haven't been there since last summer. We can drive up, walk around the lake, take photos.
Perfect. I'll prepare sandwiches, apples, and thermos with tea. What time should we leave?
If we leave at 8:30, we'll be there by 10, less people in the morning.
Great. And warm clothes. It's cold near the water.
True. I'll bring my jacket and hat. Maybe we can make a small barbecue if there's a place?
Good idea. I have sausages and bread. Let's do it.
Awesome. Then on Sunday, do you want to stay home or go somewhere?
Sunday, I promised to visit my grandma. She wants to show me her new flowers and bake pierogi together.
Your grandma's pierogi are the best. Can I join? I can bring fruit or juice.
Of course. She always asks, "Where is your friend?" She likes you.
Haha, nice. So Saturday, lake and barbecue. Sunday, grandma's house.
Yes, and maybe Sunday evening we watch a comedy film at my place.
Love it. Something light and funny.
I'll choose one. This weekend is going to be so nice. Nature, food, family, movie.
Can't wait. See you tomorrow morning at 8:30?
Yes, don't forget your camera. Have a good evening.
You too. Bye. Hi, welcome. How can I help you?
I'm looking for a cookbook.
Cookbooks are on the second floor.
Thank you. Do you have Italian ones?
Yes, we have a whole Italian section. Many good books.
Great. My wife loves Italian food.
Is it a gift?
Kind of. We want to learn new recipes together.
This one is very popular. It has simple recipes.
Simple is good. I'm a beginner cook.
Then this is perfect for you. Easy steps and photos.
How much is it?
$14.99.
I'll take it.
Do you want a bag?
Yes, please.
Would you like to look at anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Here you go. Your wife will love it.
I hope so. Thank you.
Enjoy cooking. Have a great day. Good morning. What would you like today?
Wow, everything looks so fresh. I need apples and bananas.
How many apples?
6, please, the red ones.
Good choice. They are very sweet today.
And a bunch of bananas.
Here, nice and yellow.
Do you have strawberries?
Yes, very fresh. Picked this morning.
1 box, please.
Anything else?
Maybe some oranges for juice.
How many?
4 big ones.
Here you go. That's everything.
Yes. How much is it?
$11 even.
Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Come again soon.
I definitely will. Bye.
Finally. Sorry for the wait. How can I help you?
I need to pay 2 bills.
Sure. Do you have your account number?
Yes, here it is.
And the bills?
Electricity and internet.
Okay, I see your account. Let me process these.
How long will it take?
Just a few minutes.
I've been here for 40 minutes already.
I know. Fridays are always busy. Many people come.
Very busy.
Okay, both bills are paid now.
Great. How much was the total?
$135.
Okay, thank you.
Here's your receipt. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Excuse me, does this bus go to Oak Street? Oak Street? No, this is bus 8. Bus 8? I need bus 12. Oh no, this bus goes downtown. I'm going the wrong way. What should I do? Don't worry, get off at the next stop. And then? Cross the street. Take bus 12 from there. Is there a bus stop across the street? Yes, you'll see the sign. How long until bus 12 comes? Usually every 10 minutes. Okay, that's not too bad. This is your stop right here. Thank you so much for your help. No problem. Good luck. I really need to read the signs better. It happens to everyone. Don't worry.
Hello, Mark.
Hey, where are you?
I'm home. I got here early today.
Lucky you, I'm still in the park.
The park? What are you doing there?
I met Tom with his dog.
Buddy, I love that dog. So cute.
I'm leaving now, home in 20 minutes.
Okay, I'll start putting the groceries away.
Did you get everything?
Yes, milk, bread, fruit, olive oil.
Great. Oh, I have a surprise for you.
A surprise? What is it? Tell me.
I'm not telling. You'll see when I get home.
Mark, tell me now.
Nope. See you in 20 minutes.
You're impossible.
But you love me.
Just come home fast.
On my way. Bye.
I'm home.
Finally. What's the surprise?
Close your eyes first.
Okay, they're closed.
Open.
A cookbook. Italian recipes for us to cook together.
Yes, I thought we can try new dishes together.
So, how was your day?
Crazy. I got lost in the supermarket. It was huge.
Lost in a supermarket?
Yes, and I took the wrong bus too.
Oh no, don't laugh at me. What about your day?
My phone died. A stranger let me use his phone.
That was nice of him. Anything else?
I helped an old lady cross the street.
Aw, that's so sweet.
Oh, and I saw Tom in the park.
I know, you told me. How's Buddy?
Cute as always. What should we cook tonight?
Let's open your new cookbook and decide together.
Best idea all day.
Today was crazy, but it was a good day.
Yes, full of kind people and little adventures.